You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this important word from Chinese, how you can say it in Chinese and in English. It means goodwill or benevolence. For more vocabulary, stay tuned. Chinese pronunciation, Qilin. Qi, yes, I know its spelling is Qi, but this is pronounced Qi, Qi, like C-H-E-E, Qi, Qilin, Qilin in English. Therefore, it's normally pronounced as Qilin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.